lucky and we'll get to see some of the baby giraffes up close too. I also see some antelope up ahead, which I think we'll get a little bit of a closer look at. There's quite a few giraffes around. I think I see some babies up ahead. We'll get a little closer too. Here on the left, you're going to see some giraffes. You're also going to see a couple of different animals around. The large antelope are the sable antelopes, and the color of their coat is going to tell you how dominant they are. So the darker, the more dominant. The really small antelope back there is called a springbok. It only gets to be around 100 pounds, but it can jump up to 12 feet in the air. Now the gray animals on the left there are called white-bearded wildebeest. They have one of the largest animal migrations. And now I see some of the baby giraffes. They're going to be here on the right. Now, those baby giraffes, when they're first born, are around 6 feet tall. So they're pretty tall still. But fully grown adult giraffes, they're around 20 feet tall. Now, even with their long necks, giraffes, they actually have 7 vertebrae in their necks, just like humans do. We're going to get a nice close view with some of the giraffes in just a little bit. All 3 of the babies are going to be here on the right. And then there's going to be a giraffe really close to us here on the left, it looks like. Now, all of the giraffes that we've seen around here, these are all Maasai giraffes, and you can tell that by their pattern. So if you look at their spots, you'll see they look very uneven around the edges. On articulated giraffes, their pattern is much more even, so that's how you can tell the difference between the 2 kinds of giraffes.